it tonight as our first look weather cam out in Fargo shows. And I want to first alert you to the fact that aside from those snow flurries and showers expected in northwest Minnesota overnight, the rest of the weekend into early next week is going to be mostly dry, and it's going to be warm the next couple of days too, especially after we move forward that clock 1 hour. But I also want to first alert you to some first alert weather days towards the end of next week, as we are tracking a weather maker that'll bring some rain, ice, and snow and strong winds too. But first, again, let's talk about what's happening currently. Out in Fargo, weather cam shows clear skies, no precipitation coming down. We have a temperature of 25, but it feels like 17 because of the southerly wind coming in at 7 miles per hour, and temperatures are in the 20s across the rest of our region, like 26 out in Mobridge versus 21 in Aberdeen, and again 25 in Fargo. Over the next few days, though, warm air will expand from out west, leading to temperatures in the 40s to low 50s across much of North Dakota, South Dakota, and parts of Minnesota on Saturday afternoon. Sunday afternoon, 50s to low 60s, and Monday afternoon, fully entrenched in the 60s across much of North Dakota, nearly all of South Dakota, and half of Minnesota. So Monday will be the warmest day of the week. Definitely go out and enjoy the nice weather if you can. However, a cold front will sweep in on Tuesday, forcing temperatures back into the 30s, and then we do briefly warm up on Wednesday. Put another way, in terms of numbers, in Grand Forks, we'll go from 51 tomorrow to at least the mid-50s on Sunday and Monday before diving right back into the 30s next Tuesday. So we are looking at some decent temperatures over the next few days. Our satellite radar, however, showing some active weather tonight. Again, we have those snow flurries and showers out in Canada. They will push into northwest Minnesota over the next couple of hours, leading to a light dusting of snow in St. Faustin and Thief River Falls, and particularly in Bemidji and Baudette. These are the areas that would be most likely to see any light snow accumulations. But those snow flurries and showers push out by 6 a.m., leaving behind a mix of clouds for the morning commute. By the afternoon hours, that cloud cover breaks up, and we're left with mostly sunny skies across the region. That will allow temperatures to get into the low 50s in Lisbon and Hankinson. That's why we're looking at a mild start to the weekend tomorrow afternoon. Again, go out and enjoy the nice weather for tomorrow. Skies stay clear overnight into Sunday morning. However, the nice weather will not last forever. I want to first alert you to our first alert weather days next Friday and Saturday, March 14th through the 15th, because we're tracking basically all forms of precipitation: rain, ice, and snow, along with some strong winds. We start with some rain on Friday, which turns into that mix and snow on Saturday, but there is some uncertainty regarding the exact timing and therefore exact precipitation amounts. Let's go over that. This is the GFS, the American model. This has icing starting overnight into Saturday morning, turning into snow by Saturday afternoon. That snow continues up until Sunday afternoon, basically. One of our other models has the snow still lingering on Sunday afternoon, the European model, and more importantly, it actually has the transition from rain into snow happening later on Saturday. So again, that will affect precipitation totals. So stick with Valley News Live, download the VNL First Alert Weather app. In the meantime, enjoy the weekend while you can.
Lots to pay attention to there. Thanks, Joseph. After the break, maybe the most emotional story you'll see.